Where's it coming from? Yeah, it kind of looks like a bee. Where's that water coming from, bud?
October 24th? Is that what the date is?
Mm-hmm.
It's the first time Cooper has really seen rain. Kind of understand what's going on there.
You want to get wet? Okay. Take your socks off. You want to get rained on? Yeah. Okay. You getting this?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to get wet, okay? You want to get wet? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. It's rain.
Mm-hmm.
Go outside.
Feel it? Feel it on your head? Go ahead, try it.
Can you step outside? Why don't you go stand out there and see what it feels like?
Oh, it's stopping.
It is?
It's slowing down a little bit.
Go ahead. Want to go outside and feel it? Yeah. Go ahead. You can go outside. Good. Let me step off this.
What do you think, bud?
Are you getting wet? It's about as much rain as we get in San Diego right there.
That's it. See a bee?
Do you like the rain?